everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily restore the default settings on Viber. Viber offers a lot of customization options, which is great, but it can sometimes get confusing, especially if you accidentally change something you didn't mean to. Don't worry, there's a quick way to fix everything without having to reinstall the app. Let's dive right in. To restore your default settings, first, open the Viber app on your device. Once the app is open, head down to the bottom right and tap on the three dots to access the menu. From the list of options that appears, find and tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the last option, which is General, and tap on it. Now, in the General menu, you'll see an option called Restore Viber Defaults. Tap on it, and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, Viber will reset all of its settings back to their default values. Just follow the final steps that appear, and you're all set. And that's all it takes to restore your Viber settings to default. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Viber tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.